Hi, I'm Sean Hewitt and I'm a computer technician, and today I'm going to show you how to open multiple sessions of Excel on your desktop. First off, we'll just fire up Excel. Now we have Excel open. The one thing we're going to want to do, and this is, take note here, this is book 1, is double click that icon once again. Some people might get this confused if you click down here to open up another Excel, which won't work. So you either have to go to the shortcut on the desktop to double click it to run it. You either have to click on the shortcut on the desktop to create the new instance, or if you go to the start menu and navigate to that shortcut. And there you go, you can see we have 3 instances open now. We have book 1, book 3, and book 2. So that is how you open up multiple instances of Excel in Windows 7. There you go. That's how you open multiple sessions of Excel on your desktop. See you next time.